Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to be talking about the top 3 best tips for Fusion in DaVinci Resolve 18. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Fusion effects. Fusion effects are a great way to make your videos better in DaVinci Resolve. To get to the effects, go up here to where it says effects and then left click on it, and then you will have loads and loads of effects to choose from. So for instance, I might want it to glow, or blur, or I pick the ones that I want, and then I would drag it down over to my bit here, and then I would connect it together, and then I can just adjust it how I want. And tip 2, combine Fusion with color grading. One of the unique advantages of DaVinci Resolve is Fusion with its powerful color grading tool. By combining the Fusion page with the color page, you can make visually striking effects while controlling the overall color and mood of your footage. So the color grading tools are up here, and my favorite one, personally, or favorite ones, is the color corrector and the blur one. Those are the ones that I use the most for videos. So you can drag it down, and you can just kind of use it how you want. You might want to have it a little bit more bluish, or a bit more yellowish, or red, and you might want to use more than one for this. You might want this one to be a bit more blue, but then you might want this one to be a bit more red. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect balance between your effects and color grading. Tip 3. Stay updated and learn from the community. The world of motion graphics and visual effects is evolving. Stay updated with the latest features, techniques and tutorials in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. Join online communities and social media groups who are dedicated to learning about DaVinci Resolve 18 Fusion. Share your work and discover new inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve 18. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to push your boundaries and experiment in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I may see you in the next one. Bye!